Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm the Bearded Sauce, and it's time, guys. You've all wanted it, you've all liked it. It's Bravado Spice Company's black garlic and Carolina Reaper hot sauce. So, look at that glory. Yeah, I'm excited. Everybody was excited for this one. So, it says super hot. A lot of you told me it was flavorful and not that hot, so I'm gonna stick it to you guys. Anyway, the ingredients for this sauce are red serrano pepper puree, let's see, distilled vinegar, Carolina Reaper pepper puree, which is Carolina Reapers, and salt, pure maple syrup, there you go, roasted garlic, and black pepper. So these guys are out of, does it say where they're out of? Houston, Texas. So shout out to Houston, Texas. The world's hottest pepper, savory black garlic, and a hint of sweet maple. This hot sauce will shake you to your core. So black garlic, Carolina Reaper, red serrano, maple syrup, because it says on the bottle. Anyway, you know how we do it around here with the Bearded Sauce. Shot glass. Yes. Anyway, without further ado, let's do it, huh? Smells real good. Oh, I can't wait. Anyway, you can like, comment, and subscribe. Here we go, guys. Cheers. I gotta say, that is really good. And really got some heat to it. I don't know if I'm gonna start hiccuping or not. Yeah, that's very good. Yeah, spiciness rating, that's a 9 out of 10. Flavor rating, definitely a 12 out of 10. Hiccup rating, almost there. But man, you guys were right, this is good. Yeah, I really can taste the Carolina Reaper. The maple syrup really kind of tones it down. That's nice. I can definitely taste the garlic. Yeah, it's close to being a hiccup rating though. You know what? I definitely do this on breakfast foods, tacos, burritos. Yeah. Man. I'm sweating, guys. I'm sweating. That's really good. I really like that. Good. Starting to tear up. Double shot. Cheers. Woo! Man, that second shot. Oh. Yeah. Flavor rating 12 out of 10. Spiciness, 9 out of 10. But that second shot probably bumped it up to an 11, 12 out of 10. Sweating. And coughing now. Man, I have the worst. The worst. I can't even talk. have the worst reaction to hot sauce, but I love it. That's what makes these videos fun for you guys. And fun for me to do. I'm losing my voice. Yeah, so if you like what you see, and if you want to send me more hot sauces, I'll leave an address in the description. You can like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, Bravado Spice Company, black garlic and Carolina Reaper. Cheers, guys. See you later. This video was brought to you by Strine Family Farms out of Windsor, Pennsylvania. Their Pepper Festival will be going on from September 20th to 22nd. They grow over 20,000 pepper plants, and they will have over 150 vendors there at their farm. So if you guys are looking for peppers for just food, or all you hot sauce makers out there, I'd recommend them. You can look at their website here. I will put a link in the description, actually. So thanks to Strine Family Farms for helping with this video. We'll see you guys later.